Hi everyone! Today, we will learn about two different ways to read the time. One is called the 12-hour clock and the other the 24-hour clock. Don't worry, it's super easy. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand how both work and you'll be able to tell the time like a pro. Here's what we're going to learn today. First, we'll discuss the 12-hour and the 24-hour clocks. Then, we'll practice how to change the time from one format to another. Time helps us know when to do things, like when to eat breakfast, go to school, or to sleep. Each day has 24 hours. It begins at midnight, runs through the whole day, and ends at the next midnight. Have you ever seen one clock that says 7 o'clock p.m. and another that says 19 hours? They both mean the same thing. They just use different ways of showing it. Let's find out how that works. There are two popular ways to tell time. One is called the 12-hour clock. This is the clock most of us use at home and in school. The other is the 24-hour clock. This one is often used in places like airports, hospitals, and the military. Both clocks tells the same time, just in different ways. The 12-hour clock splits the day into two parts. The first part is called AM. That means before noon or before lunchtime. It goes from midnight to 11:59 in the morning. The second part is called PM. That means afternoon. It starts at 12 in the afternoon and goes until midnight. If you wake up at 7 o'clock AM, that's in the morning. But if you eat dinner at 7 o'clock PM, that's in the evening. The 24-hour clock is a little different. It doesn't use AM or PM. It just keeps counting from 0 at midnight all the way to 23 hours 59 minutes before starting over again. For example, 1 in the afternoon is written as 13 hours and 8 in the evening is written as 20 hours. This type of clock is used all over the world because it's clear and easy to understand. Here's a picture that shows both clocks. At the top, you can see the 24-hour clock. It starts at 0, midnight, and lasts until 23 hours and 59 minutes. At the bottom, you can see the 12-hour clock. It starts at 12 midnight, then counts up at to 12 noon, and then starts again in 1 o'clock p.m. See how the numbers match? 3 o'clock p.m. is the same as 15 hours. Pretty cool, right? Now you know the 12-hour clock and 24-hour clocks work. So the next time you see that time written in the either style, you'll understand it easily. You did amazing today. Keep up the good work and see you in our next learning adventure.